For years, tech enthusiasts, video editors, 3D artists, and creative professionals have been asking one single question: what actually happened to the iMac Pro? When Apple discontinued the Space Gray workstation back in 2021, and then quietly killed the 27-inch iMac in 2022, they left an enormous gap right in the middle of their desktop lineup. Ever since, power users who love the clean, single-cable aesthetics of an all-in-one computer have been forced to compromise. You either buy a consumer-grade 24-inch iMac with a base-level chip, or you clutter your desk with a standalone Mac Studio, external power bricks, and an expensive separate display. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, the story is far from over. Groundbreaking internal leaks, supply chain traces, and code buried deep inside macOS software confirm that Apple has been secretly working on the ultimate desktop rebirth, a monster 32-inch iMac Pro powered by next-generation Apple Silicon. To understand why this rumored device is sending shockwaves through the tech world, you have to look at what went wrong with the original iMac Pro, and why Apple is finally ready to fix it. The original iMac Pro was born out of emergency. Back in 2017, Apple's famous trashcan Mac Pro was thermal throttling, impossible to upgrade, and widely criticized by professional creators. To buy time, Apple crammed workstation-class Intel Xeon processors and AMD Vega graphics into a dark matte gray iMac chassis. It was sleek, beautiful, and ridiculously fast for its time, but it faced one massive physical limitation: heat. Intel chips ran notoriously hot, forcing Apple's thermal engineers to run fans at maximum speeds just to prevent the system from melting itself from the inside out. When Apple Silicon made its debut, everything changed. Suddenly, M-series chips offered unbelievable performance per watt, allowing thin fanless devices to outperform massive tower PCs. When Apple launched the redesigned 24-inch M-series iMac in a rainbow of pastel colors, everyone assumed a Pro-tier 27-inch or 32-inch version would launch 6 months later. Instead, Apple surprised the world by launching the Mac Studio and the Studio Display, claiming that combination was the true successor for high-end users. But power users never forgot the all-in-one dream. The market for a massive, single-cable workstation screen with zero desktop clutter never disappeared. And now, confidential internal files leaked directly from Apple's engineering division reveal that prototypes running high-end M-series Macs and Ultra processors have been active inside Apple testing labs. So what exactly will this legendary new iMac Pro look like? According to supply chain analysts and display industry insiders, Apple is completely ditching the old 27-inch form factor in favor of something much larger and vastly superior, a stunning 32-inch canvas. Think of it as a Pro Display XDR combined with a full-fledged workstation computer inside a single chassis. The screen technology alone will be a total game-changer for digital artists, colorists, and video editors. Insiders report that Apple is testing mini-LED backlighting with thousands of local dimming zones, capable of reaching sustained peak brightness over 1000 nits. This means true HDR editing, ink-like deep blacks, and razor-sharp contrast that put standard desktop monitors to absolute shame. Furthermore, Apple is expected to bring promotion 120Hz variable refresh rates to the desktop iMac line for the very first time, making every animation, timeline scroll, and cursor movement feel liquid smoothed beyond the display. The exterior design of the upcoming iMac Pro is rumored to take direct inspiration from Apple's high-end Pro line. Say goodbye to the bright, fun pastel colors, the white bezels, and the wide bottom chin of the standard 24-inch iMac. The new iMac Pro is expected to feature ultra-thin, uniform black bezels around the screen, giving it a borderless glass look. The body will likely be crafted from premium dark anodized aluminum, bringing back that iconic space gray or even a deep space black finish to match the modern MacBook Pro family. The chin below the screen is either being drastically reduced or eliminated entirely, shifting all internal components directly behind the display module. Apple's engineering team has reportedly developed a revolutionary internal cooling architecture, featuring dual vapor chamber cooling plates and high-efficiency silent blowers designed to keep the system silent even under grueling multi-hour 8K rendering workloads. Under the hood, the performance capabilities of this unreleased machine are nothing short of monstrous. While the consumer iMac tops out with base-level Apple Silicon chips, the iMac Pro is engineered specifically to host M-series Max and M-series Ultra configurations. This means hardware-accelerated ray tracing, massive unified memory architecture supporting up to 192 GB or more, and multi-core CPU performance that shatters industry benchmarks. Because Apple's silicon is so insanely energy efficient, the engineering team can squeeze workstation-level computational power into a casing less than an inch thick. Imagine rendering complex 3D animations in Cinema 4D, editing multiple streams of uncompressed 8K ProRes video simultaneously, or compiling millions of lines of code, all on a silent, gorgeous desktop setup with only one power cord plugging into the wall. Another major feature rumored for this workstation is an upgraded port selection and professional connectivity. Unlike the consumer iMac, which relies mostly on 2 or 4 USB-C Thunderbolt ports on the back, the iMac Pro is expected to bring back essential professional expansion. Leakers suggest the inclusion of site-accessible high-speed SD card slots for photographers, an integrated 10 gigabit Ethernet port built directly into the power brick or the chassis, multiple high-bandwidth Thunderbolt 5 ports, and support for running multiple external 6K monitors alongside the native 32-inch screen. Furthermore, Apple is rumored to be upgrading the front-facing camera to a high-resolution center stage camera with studio-quality 6-speaker spatial audio arrays and studio microphones built right into the frame, turning this computer into an all-in-one command center for remote executives and video calls. Of course, the biggest question on everyone's mind is timing and pricing. Why has Apple waited this long to officially release this machine? Industry reports indicate that Apple faced two major hurdles: display manufacturing yields and strategic product positioning. Mini LED and OLED panels in 32-inch sizes are notoriously difficult and expensive to manufacture at scale without quality defects. Additionally, Apple had to ensure the iMac Pro wouldn't immediately kill sales of the Mac Studio and Studio Display bundle. But as display technology matures and production costs stabilize, the window for release is rapidly opening. Industry roadmaps suggest an official unveiling could happen alongside Apple's next major hardware refresh cycle, targeting high-end creative studios and enterprise professionals who are ready to upgrade their aging setups. When this machine finally hits the market, it will re-establish Apple's dominance in the professional desktop space. It represents the ultimate fusion of form and function, a desktop that eliminates cable clutter, eliminates fan noise, and offers an unmatched visual and computational experience in one seamless piece of industrial design. For everyone who held onto their classic iMacs, skipped the desktop monitor compromise, and waited patiently for Apple to deliver a true pro-grade all-in-one, the wait is almost over. Apple is preparing to redefine the desktop computer all over again, and when the sheet is finally pulled off the new iMac Pro, the tech industry will never look at an all-in-one PC the same way again.